Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mr. Anton Muhibbuddin MB, as the Chancellor of the University of Kiai Haji Abdul Hafaz Po, along with Miss and Mr. and Miss Lecturer who are happy. Introduce, my name is Urifa Lailatul Faruqi, and second author is Miss Aspapaya Yuanita Mesanti MPD. We will present an article entitled A Diagnosis Based on Multi-Presentation to Know Cognitive Ability in Accretion System Learning. Introduction. The COVID-19 pandemic period requires educators to create interesting learning media to make it easier for students to learn online. Continuous learning will be boring and make students lazy to learn, so that research will create more interesting learning media. Research will make tests to test how far the level of knowledge of students. And the study was conducted to determine the cognitive abilities of students and determine the feasibility of the validities of the item. So, research developed this result with the title A Diagnostic Based on Multi-Presentation to Know Cognitive Abilities in Accretion System Learning. And then, method. The development model in this research is research and development by modifying the stage into 7 stages. The first stage, potential and problems. Analysis the problem that occurred during the pandemic, so as the lack of the interest of students in doing assessment, so that it required educators to create media that students like. To second stage, data collection is collection data by interviewing biology teacher. The third stage, product design. Preparing a basic plan begins with collection excretion system material question, where the question may contain element of representation. And fourth stage, design validation. Validation is carried out by the biology teacher as a material expert. Validation refers to improve the test question if there are errors in their preparation. The fifth stage, design revision. The product revision based on the validation result. The sixth stage, product trial. Product trial and error directly in the one school. The seventh stage is product revision. The second design revision is special if the a diagnostic test question do not achieve completely. And next method. This study will test the cognitive abilities of students in class Natural Science Grade 11E and Natural Science Grade 11B at Man Magalo with 34 students in a class. Data collection instruments used include interviews, questionnaire, and test research. Interviews find out the excited problems, questionnaire for the assessment of material expressed as question validators, and learning outcome tests were obtained from direct tests. And data analysis technique used in this study. First, the learning outcome test was analyzed to determine the completeness of the assessment of student learning outcome based on the minimum completeness criteria at Man Magalo, which was 75, with formula score. Total student score divides maximum score n times 100. Method. Data analysis technique used in this study. B. Item validity analysis. There are 2 points. First, logical validity and empirical validity. Logical validity, the diagnostic test question will be validated by biology teacher by assigning a score to each item with answer by appropriate, with appropriate, less appropriate, and not appropriate. The total score will be added using the formula with description X bar finite average, the ideal value of the questionnaire for a aspect number of range, and the formula empirical validity description and Rx ratio correlation coefficient and number of test taker, X variable value X item score, Y variable value item score. And method point C, question reliability analysis, description R11, question reliability K number of question, A number of item variance, alpha T quadrat total variance. So question is said to be reliable if R11 is more than equal to 0.6, less than that it is said to be unreliable. Result and discussion. Result. The result of the development of this assessment obtained data in the form of the various student learning outcome as well as the validity of the items and the reliability of the items. In the learning outcome obtained or above average, the cognitive abilities of students are quite good. Items are valid if the right R count is more than 0.3 and is declared reliable if R11 is more than equal to 0.6. Point A, a learning outcome test analysis. The learning outcome in this study in the form of cognitive test ratio for class natural science grades 11A and natural science grade 11B with a total of 34 students in a class. Here, the link for working on the A diagnostic test. And in this cognitive test ratio, result and discussion. Result item validity analysis. Point A, logical validity. Logical validity will see the validity based on the result of the validator assessment. The validation sheet contains 12 aspects related to suitable of the contents of the material, subject material, answer, and multi-presentation image. And in this rating score, rating category. And next, any discussion ratio item point B, empirical validity, and in this table validity test ratio for class natural science grades A and the next this is table and then in this table validity test ratio for class natural science grade 11P. And point C, question reliability analysis. In action to looking at the validity of the items in order to produce good question, they are tested for reliability. And reliability testing is carried out using the Cronbach alpha formula, namely R11. And point discussion. The first, learning outcome, the analysis. The learning outcome in this study were in the form cognitive ratio for class natural science grade E and 11E and natural science grade 11B. Based on the analysis conducted, class natural science grade E obtained an average of 74.5, and class natural science grade B 11B obtained an average of 69.5. Discussion B, item validity analysis. Point A, logical validity. In the validity test, the research tests the logical validity and empirical validity. Logical validity is based on the result of the validator assessment. The result of the validator assessment obtain an average of the two 2.66 include in the fairly valid category, but some need revision. And empirical validity after the logical validity test, the result tested the empirical validity using product's moment correlation formula, and correlation ratio obtained a follow of 0.6. The point C is question reliability analysis based on the calculation result. Class 11 natural science grade 11A and the R11 follow of 0.79 is reliable. Will the result of the calculation of class natural science grade 11B obtained an R11 follow of 0.86. So it can be said that the instrument development is reliable. And then conclusion. The conclusion for the result of this study that the diagnosis test can make it easier for educators to examine learning outcome in the form the students' cognitive abilities validation of students by material expert is declared valid with a follow of 2.66, while the validation of item from test result is declared valid and reliable, so that the diagnosis test is suitable for the development of multi-presentation based on the question. Attractment question screenshot image. Indeed. Nah. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi